I don't think that people really understand how much money can be made if you work in the beauty business or you set up your very own beauty business. I'm Sarah Naylor and I teach people like you how to start their very own beauty businesses. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn the money that you need to earn to live the life that you want to live. So whether you want to earn €100 a week or €1,000 a week, watch for more information. Today in class, I asked how much money would make a massive difference to the people in my class. Student 1 wants to earn €100 a week. If she charges €60 per treatment and each treatment takes 40 minutes, if she does 2 treatments, she'll make €120 and it'll only take her an hour and 20 minutes. And that's what's going to take to make her happy. Student 2, on the other hand, wants to earn more. How much would you need to earn to be happy, to have the life that you want to live? Student 2 wants €1,000 a week. So if student 2 charges €60 per treatment and does 17 treatments, she'll turn over €1,020 in her week. And it's only going to take her under 12 hours. So 11.33 hours is all it will take for her to earn